Hello, everyone. I greet you in the name of Jesus. I say, may the peace of the Lord be with you and to your entire family in the name of Jesus. On this video, I want to show you the tea that flattened my stomach in 5 days. I say in 5 days. 5 days. I don't know how to say it. 5 days is even too big. But in 5 days, I see a massive and a rapid result. This tea, I have this video before on this channel, but people are saying I did not explain it well. They don't know what I was talking about. That is why I come about the tea again. I come about this video now. On this video, you will see when I gave birth to my last baby. We just entered the lockdown. I was at home. I was blown. If you see me, you cannot even recognize I was big. I was thinking I was doing exercise. It wasn't working. But this tea really helped me. At the time, my husband was complaining and saying, this your fatness, your stomach is too big. Oh, this one is too much. Just go and look for what to. To my greatest surprise is this. It's my husband that is even taking the tea now. When he saw the result, he said, what did you take? How? I told him, this is what I did. I did do. He said, let me try it. He tried. He said, this one is fire. It's burning. It's burn all the fat in him. Every morning is the one telling me, I'm not even taking it again. He's the one telling me, go and bring my tea. Go and bring my tea. When he finish, he say, go and buy. This one is important. Go and buy. I want you to try this tea. You give me the feedback. It's really working. This turmeric tea. I titled it in my video. In this channel, I titled it turmeric tea. You see it. And when you try it, you give me feedback and know what I'm talking about. These ingredients, they are not costly. They are very cheap in the market. The one I just missed now, in this video, I bought it about €2, 20 cents more or so. Very cheap. It's not, you can buy anyone. It's not organic. I buy in the local store here, Dia. It's not what you will look for. You say it's organic. No, it's not organic. I buy anyone can help. When you check the video, before we get into the video, you check, you use it the way I stated it. You see the massive result. Is very rapid. It's so rapid, because when that time I started this tea, my stomach was 41. In 5 days, I was seeing 37. It was just too much. I have been using many remedy for weight loss. I have not seen anyone that have worked like this. This one is working. It's working. As you watch, let's go into the video. On this bowl, I have cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon and a half. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and half. This is ginger powder, 1 tablespoon and a half. This black pepper, 1 tablespoon and a half. This is turmeric powder. This is 4 tablespoons of turmeric powder. I will now add everything together. I will add everything together. use a bigger bowl to do it. As you can see, this is my Lipton tea. What I will do now, I will add 1 tablespoon of my turmeric tea on it. You can use any tea of your choice, anything bag of your choice. This is Lipton tea, the normal Lipton tea we have in Nigeria. Let me show you the tea. The normal yellow Liberty Lipton. That's what I put. You can put green tea, any tea bag of your choice, or you can use ordinary water, hot water. You can use hot water and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric tea. I want to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric tea. Look at it. 1 teaspoon. This is what I take it for. Then you will use if you like, you can use honey if you want, but honey is an optional. You can use honey or you may not use. If you like the taste, it's not bitter, the taste is not bad. Taste is not bitter, it's not bad, it's okay. But if you feel like you want it to be sweet, you can use honey. Then sometimes I need to add my honey now. Look at it. It's honey. I'll add a teaspoon of honey to it and stir it very well. You are good to go. Try this very remedy. It's very good. I used it for 5 days. My belly got flattened. Even my husband is even the one asking me to do it all the time now. He said, give me every morning. We ask me, where is my tea? This is the tea he take every day because he worked for me. He was even the one that was saying, this stomach is too big. Oh, what are you doing? If you don't know, I will go out. Oh. Just imagine, he is the one that is even asking me to make the tea every morning now. I will make this one and go and give it to him. Me, I don't even take all the time again. He's the one that is asking every time to come and make this tea for me. You try this tea and tell me what the result of it is. Very good. I must tell you, if you have been fighting with how to flatten your stomach, your belly flat, please go for this one. This is the right thing to take. It will work like magic. It will work like magic, I must tell you. Thank you. Tell me what the result of this thing. I want to see it at the comment section. Come and watch this video. It will help you. Thank you for watching.